Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
So let's say H. Our partner is not single assignment. So let's say it is not single assignment. So then, what does that mean? In a supervisory organization, can I assign the role of HR partner to more than one position? Can I do that? Let's say for the HR, for the organization that is XYZ Motors Sales. So can I have the HR partner role assigned to Logan and Megan and Betty and Teresa? Is it possible? It is possible. And that is exactly the reason why, for some of the roles, we do not say single assignment. Now, if you have multiple people assigned as the HR partner of this organization, then what is the advantage? So if there is a task waiting on the HR partner, if there is a task waiting on the HR partner again, then what happens? Who can take the action? Does it mean all of them have to take the action? If somebody has been assigned the role, that means that person is responsible for that. Doesn't matter how long you have been in the organization. Doesn't matter what is your management level. We keep seeing simple. If somebody has been assigned as the role of HR partner, then they can take the action. Now, let's say an action needs to be taken by the HR partner. There are 4 HR partners for XYZ Motor Sales: Logan, Megan, Betty, and Teresa. So who can take the action? Either one of them can take the action. Yes, either one of them can take the action. That is the whole purpose. What is a security group? A security group is a group of users who has the same access. Correct. We understand that. We agree to that. A security group is a group of persons who has the same access. Isn't it? So we have given the between here. I mean, if I say this, how can you say who has more access with less access? Is it possible to say that? No. No. All of them have the same level of access because everybody has been assigned to the role of HR partner. Either of them can take the action. Whoever gets to it first. Whoever gets to it first can take the action. That's it. All of them will have the same level of access for this particular organization. Doesn't matter if one is a junior person and another is a senior person. Doesn't matter what is their management level. Doesn't matter what is their length of service in the organization. Logan can be for 21 years. Betty can be for 20 years, but Megan can be for 1 month. Doesn't matter. Did we configure that in any way? That okay, depends on something else. We can't. We don't. We have assigned the role. we have assigned the security permissions to in the domain security policy. And that's it. Whoever has been assigned to the role, they have the security permission. That is why it is called a role-based security group. You get some permissions by virtue of the role that you have been assigned to. Got it. The role-based security group is what you get certain permissions by virtue of the role that you have been assigned. When I say you, let's say worker. Workers get such a permission by virtue of the role that we have been assigned to. Okay. Right now, can the manager? We said that a single assignment, typical example of a single assignment is manager. Can we have multiple assignments or manager? Can we uncheck that option in the maintain assignable tools? Can we uncheck that option? Or another? Okay. That if there is a requirement, I can shift. Please organize the issue with workers working multiple shifts. If you have such a scenario, then yes, you might have the requirement of having multiple managers. In the same supervisory organization. Very rare case, but technically possible. Right. And what do we need to do to enable that? If you need to have multiple managers in a supervisory organization, we don't create multiple rules manager, 1 manager 2. We don't need to do that. What do we need to do? No, in this page only you have the answer. Not single assignment. That's it. In the single assignment we will say no. Not single assign, then only you have. You have the option to assign the role to multiple people. Multiple positions. Single assignment will stop you from doing that. If a role is marked as single assignment, you can only assign it to 1 person. I said what position? If it is not marked as single assignment, you can assign it to multiple positions. As simple as that. Right. So all of these configurations are done where? What was the task we used to create the role? Maintain a findable role. That was the task that we had used. Correct? Maintain assignable roles. And when we say maintain assignable roles, were we able to see other roles that were already created? But we just ended up doing. We only saw the role that we are creating. Now, if I want to go back and change the role that I created. Let's say I want to update some of these settings. Hide on view, or maybe self-assign or single assignment. I want to update those parameters. What will be the task that I use? We will use the same task again. There is no edit role. There is no create role. There is no find assignable role. There is only the task maintain the assignable roles. Okay, they will go to that. If we go to that role, probably yes, local. We will go to that role, and then we will update the existing roles. Right? That is the only task that we need. Maintain assignable roles. Right. So then what happens after we create the role? You see, is there to be give permissions to the roles. We don't give permissions directly to the security, to the roles. What? Where do we give the permissions? We edit the domain security policies and the business process security policies. Correct. That's where we control the permissions. So what gets included? In the security policies? Is it a role or is it a security group? The security groups will be included in the security policies. Now we have created a role. Now that means. Now we have to create this link. Get A, create this link. We have a role already. So now we should create a security group. And we should link them together. Then we will assign the permissions to the security group and then we will test it out. Okay, let's do that. So,
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@uptalk.com.